Jamaican nurses on sick out amid surging COVID cases in hospitals, and also a statement made by the PM. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Scores of nurses across the island called in sick on Wednesday morning, sending health officials scrambling to access the scale of the sick out, which coincide with the record hospitalization and significant deaths as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Percy Junior Hospital, the Cornwall Regional Hospital, the Mandeville Regional Hospital, Maypen Regional Hospital, and the University Hospital of the West Indies have been adversely affected by the perceived to be group industrial action. A sick out is a period of sick leave taken as a form of group industrial action. The University Hospital has confirmed that at least 52 nurses there are calling sick. Nurses have been advocating that structured measures should be introduced to guarantee care if healthcare workers contract the COVID-19, but the government has not changed its stance of having a predetermined priority list. It is understood that the ongoing protest aimed at forcing the government to change its stance on the issue. Medical insiders say fatigue associated with a surge in COVID-19 cases, along with record hospitalization and significant deaths, have combined to cause health workers to become restive, especially against the background of two high-profile deaths of healthcare workers as the island struggles to combat the third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. 2 weeks ago, Percy Junior Hospital Annette White Best was confirmed as the first case of a nurse dying by contracting COVID-19 on the job. White Best succumbed to the virus after waiting for a long period for the use of a ventilator. Jamaica has so far recorded more than 63,000 COVID cases and 1,417 deaths so far. The opposition People's National Party has charged that a statement made by the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, which it finds to be offensive, may be behind the decision by scores of nurses to call in sick on Wednesday, at the time when hospitals are struggling to cope with the unprecedented number of COVID cases patient. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.